Here's a low production Camaro, just in it unique, specialty and classics. 1997 Chevrolet Camaro SS, 30th anniversary edition. Gen 4 Camaro that has been enhanced by SLP for the 30th anniversary edition. As you can see, the hood has a scoop that is a cold air intake, is functioning. So it does have a functioning hood scoop. This car, low mile car in the 20,000 range. When we start it up, I'll show you the odometer. We'll check out the miles on it. As you can see, it's in nice shape. There is just a little bit of nicking up in the front, just from the scoop of the nose, and a little bit of chips just from the little bit it's been driven. Overall, very nice shaped car. No accidents indicated on the Carfax. Appears to be all original paint and graphics. It does have the original ZR styled 17-inch by 9 wheels that it would have came with. FYI, it does have the locking nut on the wheels, and it does have the socket in the glove box that it would have came with also. Also has the original owner's manual and the 30th anniversary addendum to that owner's manual added in with it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can check out those wheels up close. You can see the undersides. Take your time looking at the engine bay, interior. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, in the description, there's a link. Click on that. That's going to take you right there. Also, you can give us a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions that we may on this. Of course, all the amenities. These came pretty fully loaded. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. This also has the LT1 V8, and it would have been a 305 horse engine. And again, take a look up and down the sides of this. You can see it's not full of nicks, scratches, or dings. Nice straight car. Would have the white leather interior with the 30th anniversary insignias in them. This has the optional 6-speed manual transmission in it. Does have a power top. Top would be white, is in nice shape. You'll be able to check that out in the pictures also. Does come with the parade boot. All of the pieces are intact. No broken tabs. Also in nice shape. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Also has the storage bag for the parade boot. It's laid out here so we can get it in the video. And again, you can see all this in the pictures. SS badging on the back. Rear fascia, nice shape. This had the dual exhaust out one side. 2 outlets. Nice sounding car, running car. Has not been modified since SLP had it. No aftermarkets done on this one. Once again, check out those still pictures. Uniqueclassiccars.com down below this video in the description. Click on the link. It's going to take you right there. Of course, the number is 507-386-1726. ZR1 styled aluminum wheel in white. And again, in nice shape. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. I have not come up with much for dings or scratches besides just a little bit on the front that I showed you. Wheels, nice shape. Let's go ahead and check out the interior of this car. Got power windows, power locks, power mirrors both sides. This does have the Bose stereo system. I should say AC Delco stereo system. Do not believe you would have had Bose availability in this year, but it does have the CD changer in the trunk as well as a cassette player up front in the main deck. Of course, cruise control, like I said earlier, power top, 6-speed manual. Leather seats, nice shape. A little bit of just color wear on this one. It's not through the leather or anything like that. It will probably be dyed, brought back to about new, but not worn through the leather. Leather's not worn bad. 2+2 seating, rear seats in very nice shape. And again, this parade boot all intact, no tabs missing. That's also in good shape. Let's go ahead and start this up. Check out the exact miles. does have power seat, driver's side. Nice sounding cars. Little rumble coming out of it. 21,000, 128. No engine indicator lights, warning lights, anything like that. All the gauges work. Just the seatbelt light on that's up there because I did not strap the seatbelt on. AC Delco cassette player and head unit, like I said. CD changer in the back. Very nice interior dash. Let's go ahead and slip around back. Listen to this. Nice little deep rumble coming out of that. Would have had the tricolor taillights in 97, red, amber, and clear. I'm going to go ahead and slip around up to the front of this car. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me pop that hood. Let's check out the engine bay. Alright, I did say functioning hood scoop. Here's where the fresh air comes in underneath. Goes into the intake. LT1, V8. Nice clean engine bay. Again, these were modified some from SLP. Read all about them. There was 900, I believe, and 79 of these made in the 30th anniversary edition Camaros. I think I'm correct on that number. I know I'm in the vicinity. I'll check it out a little closer, make sure we get it in the description. So there you have it. 1997 Chevrolet Camaro SS convertible, 30th anniversary edition in a beautiful white and orange combination. A little over 21,000 original miles. Clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, you can click on the link. It's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we'll help you get this car transported to where you're located at. Give us a call.